Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, while everybody is reevaluating their marketing campaigns right now, I've been working hard to find mail solutions that are simple and engaging, and I just thought this one from Audi fits the bill. The stick mail in an envelope, and this is about 5.5 by 8 finished, saddle stitched right here. So I think this format really could self-mail as well, but they wanted a special presentation. The envelope was really cool. So they've got some special print effects going on, but I want to focus on the format and its simplicity. So what they're doing here is creating a very simple little waterfall booklet with 2 sheets. And so it opens up like this, and the stitched in pages are stepped. So think of it in terms of 5.5, 5.5. And then these interior panels are 5 and 4.5 inches. And so when this little 4-pager is stitched in, you get this simple little waterfall booklet, and it's organized, and it just looks really nice. It's easy to navigate. They used some metallic ink. They used a really nice sheet weight here. This is, I'd say it's at least an 80 cover, possibly a little bit more. And it just looks and feels great, and it's organized and stylish. So simple, clean. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Simple waterfall booklet mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.